Have you ever wondered how to get your CDL and how long it takes? Today we're diving headfirst into the world of commercial driver's licenses. We'll explore the time it typically takes to snag one of these coveted licenses. There's a step-by-step process to it, full of intriguing details that we'll be unpacking in this video. So, buckle up and get ready for an insightful journey. Stick around and you'll find out exactly how to navigate through the process of obtaining your CDL. So, what exactly is a CDL? Let's unravel this mystery together. A CDL, or commercial driver's license, is a special type of driver's license required in the United States to operate any type of vehicle weighing 26,001 or more pounds, or transporting quantities of hazardous materials that require warning placards under Department of Transportation regulations. This license is essential for certain professions such as truck driving, bus driving, and transporting hazardous materials. Why is it so important, you ask? Well, handling such large vehicles and potentially dangerous substances demands specialized skills and knowledge. A CDL ensures that the driver has undergone rigorous training and passed stringent tests to ensure they can handle these responsibilities safely and efficiently. But the importance of a CDL goes beyond safety. It opens up a world of job opportunities and is a ticket to a rewarding career in the commercial driving industry. Now that you know what a CDL is and why it's important, it's time to delve into how to get one. Before you start your journey to obtaining a commercial driver's license or CDL, you need to meet certain requirements. These requirements are set to ensure that only qualified individuals get behind the wheel of large and potentially dangerous commercial vehicles. So, what are they? First off, age matters. You must be at least 21 years old to drive commercial vehicles across state lines, also known as interstate commerce. However, for intrastate commerce, which is driving within your own state, the minimum age can be as low as 18 in some states. Next, let's talk about your physical health. Commercial driving is a physically demanding job. Therefore, you will need to pass a Department of Transportation, or DOT, physical examination. This exam checks for various health conditions that could affect your ability to drive safely. These include vision and hearing tests, blood pressure checks, and an overall physical health assessment. Your driving record is another significant factor. If you have a history of reckless driving, DUIs, or other serious traffic violations, it might be a stumbling block. You'll need a clean driving record, or at least one that shows you've learned from past mistakes. Now you might be wondering about educational requirements. Do you need a degree to drive a truck? Not really. However, you do need a valid driver's license and a high school diploma, or a GED. These are basic requirements to enter a CDL training program. Some employers might prefer a bit more education, but it's not a universal requirement. And lastly, don't forget about your regular driver's license. Before you can upgrade to a CDL, you must first have a standard valid driver's license. This is because the skills you learned for your regular license, like obeying traffic laws and understanding road signs, form the foundation for your CDL training. Meeting these requirements is your first step toward getting your CDL. Remember, these are just the general requirements and they can vary from state to state. Always check with your local DMV or a trusted CDL training school to get the most accurate information for your situation. With the prerequisites out of the way, the next step is education and training. The road to a commercial driver's license is paved with learning, both in the classroom and behind the wheel. The CDL education process typically begins with classroom-based instruction. You'll dive into a curriculum that covers everything from rules of the road and traffic laws to vehicle maintenance and safety protocols. This theoretical knowledge is crucial to understanding not just how to drive a commercial vehicle, but also why certain practices are in place. In addition to classroom learning, your CDL education will also include practical training. This is where you'll get hands-on experience, learning how to maneuver these large vehicles, practice backing techniques, and get comfortable with highway driving. This part of your training will be instrumental in developing the skills you need to handle a commercial vehicle safely and efficiently. Now, when it comes to choosing where to get your CDL education and training, it's important to select a reputable school. There are many schools out there, but not all are created equal. Look for a school that is accredited and has a track record of success. Consider factors like the quality of the instructors, the ratio of students to teachers, and the availability of job placement assistance after graduation. By choosing a reputable school, you're investing in quality education that will serve you well in your career. Moreover, some may wonder about the length of the CDL training. On average, full-time CDL training programs last about 7 weeks. However, this can vary based on the license class and endorsements you are pursuing. Part-time programs, on the other hand, may take a few months to complete. Regardless of the program's length, the focus should always be on mastering the skills and knowledge necessary to be a safe and effective driver. With solid education and training, you're well on your way to obtaining your CDL. The journey requires commitment and dedication, but the payoff, a rewarding career in commercial driving, is well worth the effort. After your training, it's time to face the CDL exam. The CDL, or Commercial Driver's License exam, is the final hurdle to jump before you can start your career on the open road. The exam consists of two parts, the written test and the skills test. The written test is designed to evaluate your understanding of the rules and regulations of the road and how to operate a commercial vehicle safely. It covers a wide range of topics, including vehicle inspection, transporting cargo and passengers, air brakes, combination vehicles, and hazardous materials. You can expect a variety of question types such as multiple choice, true or false, and fill in the blanks. To pass, you'll need to demonstrate a comprehensive understanding of these topics. The skills test, on the other hand, is all about practical application. You'll need to show that you can handle a commercial vehicle in real-world situations. This test has three parts: the pre-trip inspection, the basic vehicle control, and the on-road driving test. In the pre-trip inspection, you'll need to demonstrate your ability to inspect your vehicle before hitting the road, ensuring that it's safe and ready to go. This might include checking the brakes, lights, tires, and mirrors, among other things. The basic vehicle control test will assess your ability to maneuver your vehicle in a controlled environment. You might be asked to perform maneuvers such as backing up, making turns, and parking, all while maintaining control of your vehicle. Finally, the on-road driving test will take you out on the road. Here, you'll need to show that you can handle your vehicle in a variety of traffic situations, from navigating city streets to highway driving. Remember, preparation is key. Practice as much as you can, study the materials provided during your training, and don't be afraid to ask questions. With determination and dedication, you can conquer the CDL exam. Passing the CDL exam brings you one step closer to your goal. This achievement opens the door to a world of opportunities in the commercial driving industry, so buckle up and let's hit the road to success. Passing the exam is a huge accomplishment, but what comes next? Well, after acing your CDL exam, you'll receive the actual commercial driver's license. This is your golden ticket to a new career on the open road. But remember, this isn't the end of the journey, it's just the beginning. Your shiny new license needs to be maintained. This involves regular renewals and staying on top of any changes in regulations. So don't forget to keep learning and practicing. Now let's talk about the exciting part, the potential career paths. With a CDL, you could be driving a school bus, a tanker truck, or even a double trailer across the country. Each of these jobs requires a unique skill set, and the experience will be as wide-ranging as the vehicles you could be driving. And remember, this license doesn't just open up job opportunities, it opens up a whole new way of life. With your CDL in hand, a world of opportunities opens up. So, how long does this whole process take? Well, let's recap what we've covered today to give you a clearer picture. Firstly, we defined what a commercial driver's license, or CDL, is. It's a key that opens up a world of opportunities for anyone aspiring to drive commercial vehicles. We also explored the requirements needed to obtain a CDL, which include being of a certain age, having a clean driving record, and passing a medical examination. We then dived into the heart of CDL education and training. This is where you'll learn the ropes, from understanding traffic laws to mastering the art of driving large vehicles. It's a crucial stage that prepares you for the CDL exam, which we discussed next. This exam, consisting of a written test and a skills test, is your final hurdle before earning your CDL. But what happens after the exam? You get the freedom to navigate the open roads with your CDL, paving the way for numerous career opportunities. But remember, the journey doesn't end there. Continuous learning and improvement are vital in this field. So, coming back to our initial question, how long does this process take? The answer varies. Depending on your individual circumstances, the journey from start to finish can take anywhere from several weeks to a few months. Armed with this knowledge, you're now ready to embark on your journey to getting your CDL. Safe travels.